I had to film this because my wife was mentioning the other day about people that just leave their wipers on going really, really fast even though it's not doing anything right now. Like, I mean, sure, it's snowing, but that much? This is sort of what the Great Snowpocalypse looks like here in Klamath Falls right now. Colin, what's the date?
It is January 3rd.
Yep, January 3rd, 2017. It's 5:11 p.m. and we're sitting in the parking lot of one of the more park spots, and you can see there's a lot of snow out here already. I'm gonna do some time-lapse footage of driving around town because it's super pretty looking, obviously. So here we go, time-lapse. Let's check. Fucking no! This part's gonna take forever because, as you can see, the cars are backed up a little bit. But hey, hope you enjoyed the time lapse. Y'all have a wonderful day, and if it's doing anything like it is here outside where you're at, stay safe, stay warm.